Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Shah Al staying with you, and here I'd like to discuss about a very special topic which is very important for you approximate estimation, which is special for SSC. It is for class 9, and you are discussing a question which is based on diffusion, and it is the mathematical problem of diffusion, and which I will try my best to solve. And now I'm going to read out the whole question, and I think you will understand it in a better situation. Okay, let's get started. The question is, there were two drenched pieces of cotton, respectively, ammonia. It is called ammonia. Ammonia. And it is called carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. These two gases are completely gas. That's why we will just find out the value or rate of diffusion. First of all, you can obviously determine it in two methods. By determining the atomic mass or molecular mass, or by applying Graham's law. We will try our best to just utilize the formula of Graham's law. Okay, from the Graham's law, we can write R1 by R2 equal to root over M2 by M1. Here, the molecular mass of first gas M1 equal to NH3, ammonia or nitrogen trihydride. Nitrogen has one atom, so we will write 1 into the molecular mass of nitrogen. Atomic mass of nitrogen is 14, plus hydrogen has 3 atoms, and the atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. So we will get, after adding them, 17. Now we will do the next step like first one. Okay, the molecular mass of second gas is M2 equal to carbon dioxide, CO2. So we know carbon has here only one atom, that is why we will write 1. Then we will multiply by its molecular mass, atomic mass. Carbon has the atomic mass 12, plus oxygen has 2 atoms, and the atomic mass of oxygen is 16. Then we will get 44. Okay, the diffusion rate of first gas R1 equal to what? This is the question that they wanted from us. Okay, let me write. R is divided by R2, then R2 will be multiplied by root over M2 by M1 if we transfer it to the other side. Then we will write R1 equals to root over M2 by M1 into R2. Then we will write M2. M2 means 44 and M1 means 17 into R2. R1 equal to, if we calculate this term, then we will get 1.608, etc. into R2. So the diffusion rate of first gas will be 1.608 times more than second one. This was the solution of this mathematical term for class 9, and it is the practical problem, mathematical solution based on diffusion mathematical problem. I think that you have understood it in a better situation. Thank you for staying with me, and I'm very grateful to you to be with me. Okay, bye bye.